That's the sound of almost 30. Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Today we have a brand new box to the channel, which I'm always super duper excited about. I feel like a lot of the boxes we once did on the channel just kind of disappeared. Like they don't come to my door anymore. Did they go away? I don't know what happened to them. I need to do a little bit of checking about that because I don't get a lot of the boxes that I once did. This is the Women's Collective box, which it's just like a super cute little box. This box here is a quarterly box. I do believe it is $54.95 a quarter, or if you subscribe annually, it's like a little bit cheaper. This is not a sponsored video or anything, but they did send this box to me. They actually sent me last season's box as well, and I did film an unboxing of it, but I deleted it because I do that often now. I'll film like 10 videos in one day. Kind of like today, I filmed so many videos and then I'll keep like one. I don't know why. Yeah, it's not a good habit. Anyway, so today we're going to be getting into this Women's Collective box for the very first time on my channel, and I'm super excited. So everything inside of this box is going to be from a female-owned business, and also some of the proceeds from this box go to female entrepreneurs, which is really cool. Inside here we have a little pamphlet that'll tell you all about like the ladies who did the box, who did the artwork on the outside, the stuff on the inside, and hopefully it will give us the value of everything. I'm not 100% sure. We'll have to check that out. This is the summer 2020 box. I smell something real good coming out here. What are those? Resist the urge to put the "what are those" vine in the video. Resist. Oh, that's funny. Anyway, so I just saw something in there that am I gonna have to censor it on YouTube? I don't know what YouTube monetizes these days. Anyway, so let's go ahead and dig on into this box. This is the summer box. I'm very excited to see what's in here. Okay. Oh, there's a pair. Well, yeah, that makes sense. There typically are. Okay, so I'm not exactly sure if surely YouTube won't monetize this. The very first thing we have in here, I think go together, but I'll show you the earrings first. So these are a little pair of earrings, and they are lady bit earrings. Again, not sure what YouTube will throw up that big yellow demonetization dollar sign on, but there are the little pair of earrings. I guess you get two sets in here. You could just have one on either side and that would make like a pair. But anyway, there you go. These are from Mimi and August. Oh, and I guess this little set here doesn't go with it because this is from Holly. This is a stainless steel straw set, and this is the outside of it. Again, I don't know if I'm gonna have like little censor strips over every single one or what. Ooh, these are pretty. So this is the little stainless straw set. There's like a long gold one, a little like copper one, and then there's also a brush cleaner as well. I was kind of hoping it would have like a big old pair of on them or something. That would have been kind of funny, but these are probably a little bit more subtle for public. All right, the next thing we have in here kind of reminds me of that little pouch that we just had. It's like a muslin type cloth with a pattern on it. Oh, that's really pretty. So this is from Little Core Boots. It is handcrafted in the United States. It sounds like caboose. I think that's kind of a fun word. It has these little flowers stamped on it. I guess it's kind of like a tea towel or just like a dish towel. It's quite large though. This would honestly be pretty, kind of like thrown in the middle of a table or something if you didn't want to use it as a towel. I really like the black and the white. I've talked about how my house is just gonna be all black and white besides my one bathroom. I can see it from here. It's very blue. I don't know what possessed me to paint it very blue, but it's very blue. Anyway, so this is really cute. It smells fantastic because something in this box smells like amazing. I gotta dig in there and find out what that is. But next up, there is a little sticker in here, and it says upside down. No, that's upside down. Oh, it says you are destined for amazing things. If I could read anything besides like very bold print. So it's just a cute little like vinyl-y sticker. The next thing in here is from Soon. These are pomegranate hydrogel eye patches with collagen. I think this is a Korean skincare line. So they're just those little like eye boomerangs that you stick underneath your eyes, and it's supposed to make them nice and hydrated. Oh, we have something else that's a little bit kind of like muslin. It feels like fabric. It feels kind of like a canvasy fabric. This is from the Better Farm Co. Oh, it's like a little tote bag. That's really cute. I think this would be really nice for like, you know, like going to your farmer's market on a beautiful Saturday, spring, summer, fall morning, whatever it may be, picking up some ripe tomatoes or something, some fruits. Or, you know, you could be like me and sleep in on your Saturday and then wake up and eat spoonfuls of peanut butter. But either way, it's a cute little tote bag. Or you could take it to the grocery store. This could be a reusable like grocery bag. Okay, so I think I have finally found the source of the smell. This smells really good. It's very strong. This is a Luxe shower steamer. I can't say that I've ever tried a shower steamer before. I know like Lush sells shower steamers. This one is peppermint, rosemary, and lemon. It has 100% pure essential oil. It is before aromatherapy. Oh boy, that is, oh boy, that is strong. But it smells very good. Oh, like clears your nostrils. Whew. I can't stop smelling it. I live in Kentucky, which is just like a state of constant allergies, so it's really nice to be able to breathe in every now and then. Anyway, so this comes in a little baggie. It feels kind of like a bath bomb in texture. It says you just need like a couple little drops on your shower steamer and it should last 2 to 3 showers, so that's nice. And then the very last thing in here is all rolled up. Oh, okay, that's interesting. It looks like they have their own line of stuff. So this is actually from the Women's Collective. It is a sustainable beach blanket, so they have their own little logo here and then on the actual beach towel as well. Oh, that's awesome. It also says with every purchase we donate to sea life and coral reef preservation. Oh dear. It's also supposed to be sand proof, which isn't a huge deal for me. I haven't been to the ocean in 10 years. Absorbent, fast drying, lightweight, compact, durable, and eco-friendly. It's a very nice, like kind of pale pink color. It's got some little stripes to it. It seems pretty large. Yes, it is. It seems pretty large as well and has like cute little tassely bits, so this is pretty cute. I almost grabbed this stack of napkins thinking it was one of like the cloth things that we got in the box. This is not. This is a stack of Zaxby napkins. Anyway, I was gonna say that I feel like we've received like a lot of cloth things in this box, which is very interesting, a little bit different than things we see in typical boxes. I'll check really quickly to see if there are any prices in here that I can get you guys so we can get a value for this box. Okay, I'm not seeing any prices in here, which I kind of wish they did include prices. It is just nice to see like that value that you're receiving. But they do have like little bios of each of the women here that are either the artist, the creator, or the business owner. So that is really nice. For me, I think this is a nice box. It would be like a nice little treat for yourself or like maybe a gift for somebody. I do wish that maybe we didn't receive so many cloth type things in one box. Maybe just mix it up a little bit, but I do like that they're very sustainable. So that's good. I also think with a box like this, the value comes a lot from like the purpose behind it. So you're supporting like women-led business, you're also supporting entrepreneurs, you're supporting like, you know, the coral reef, things like that. So I do like that there is more of a value to it than just monetary. I do definitely think that I could get use out of these items. I would be really interested in seeing what like fall and winter have to offer. I always love fall and winter subscription boxes from like these seasonal subscriptions because, you know, well, I happen to love colder weather and those boxes just always seem like so comfy and cozy. There's just something about them. So would you guys like to see another unboxing of the Women's Collective box? Let me know down below in the comments. What did you think about this one? What do you think about like their mission, their message, the items that came inside of it? Do you think that YouTube's gonna demonetize me for showing some rounded W's on the screen? I don't know. They're tricksy. They're tricksy little bunch there at YouTube. But anyway, let me know all of your thoughts and opinions about this box down below in the comments. I love reading and responding to them. And just thank you guys so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye! Do you hear my shoulder like just crack? Oh, I'm actually not 100% sure if it was my shoulder or my wrist. That's the sound of almost 30. Anyway, bye! That's the sound of me being hungry.